It give back it to me. Ah, alright. I didn't know that. I want to put like for the super chat of the silent and by mistake I delete you. Oh, now I understand. No, I was asking if it did. I don't know also about that. I feel hot. I stop dancing now. What silence said? I feel. You feel you want to laugh? You laugh to ate ah. Nawala tuloy yung ano ni Kwa, ni JS Rocker. Yung name. All our snow is melting as fast it came. Oh, it's melting now? When it sun comes and it's melting? I want to screenshot but no more that name. I have Shakira's copyright too. And then Labanan. I have maybe 5 copyrights or 6. Not sure how much we got all together because it's been melting at the same time. So all in US they get the snow. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching and listening. No, not all the USA. Not all. So you mean there is place that it's not getting cold? I just started snowing in Charlotte. Greg just started. We have some snow here in UK twice in the last week. I see Dave pala. You are in UK, Dave. Sa UK pala si Dave. Dave, what part of UK you live in? North Wales, not Wallis, North Wales. The RB.